Here's the detailed and comprehensive pharmacological profile of agomelatine, formatted for medical, nursing, and pharmacy-level understanding. It includes mechanism, pharmacokinetics, therapeutic uses, precautions, contraindications, and more, complete with clinical context. AF1, generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms, parameter, details. Generic name, agomelatine, drug class, melatonergic antidepressant, melatonin receptor agonist, and 5-HT2C receptor antagonist, chemical class, naphthalene analog of melatonin, brand names valdoxin Thimenax, Melitor, dosage forms, oral tablet 25 milligrams, manufacturer examples, Servier Laboratories, Menarini, Les Laboratoires Servier. Number 2. Definition: agomelatine is a novel antidepressant that acts as both a melatonin receptor, MT/MT2 agonist, and a serotonin 5-HTC receptor antagonist. It is indicated for the treatment of major depressive disorder, MDD, in adults and is known for normalizing circadian rhythm, improving sleep quality without daytime sedation, having minimal sexual or weight gain side effects compared with SSRIs and SNRIs. Mechanism of action: EMA, a melatonin receptor agonism, MT/MT2. Location: suprachiasmatic nucleus of the hypothalamus, biological clock center. Action: mimics melatonin, resynchronizing circadian rhythms, sleep-wake cycles. Effect: improves sleep pattern and onset, enhances restorative sleep. B5-HTC receptor antagonism. Action: inhibits serotonin 5-HT2C receptors, leading to increased dopamine and norepinephrine release in the frontal cortex. Effect: elevates mood, motivation, and cognitive function. C. Overall effects: restores biological rhythms disrupted in depression, combines sleep normalization with antidepressant efficacy. Unlike SSRIs, no serotonin reuptake inhibition, fewer sexual and gastrointestinal side effects. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics, parameter description, absorption, rapidly absorbed after oral intake. Peak plasma concentration Cmax reached within 1 to 2 hours. Bioavailability, approximately 3 to 5% due to extensive first-pass hepatic metabolism. Protein binding, 95%, mainly to albumin and iron acid glycoprotein. Metabolism hepatic, primarily via CYP1A2 major, CYT9, and CYP2C19. Produces inactive metabolites. Elimination half-life, 1 to 2 hours. Excretion, excreted mainly via urine, 80 to 90% as metabolites, no unchanged drug. Steady state, achieved rapidly within a few days, no significant accumulation. Clinical note: liver metabolism is critical. Any hepatic impairment can drastically increase drug levels. Hammer 5. Primary: major depressive disorder MDD, off-label, investigational, generalized anxiety disorder GAD, bipolar depression as adjunct, seasonal affective disorder, circadian rhythm disorders, e.g. delayed sleep phase syndrome. 6. Indications: treatment of major depressive episodes in adults, including those with symptoms of sleep disturbance or circadian rhythm disruption. Number 7. Contraindications category details: absolute, hypersensitivity to agomelatine, active liver disease or hepatic impairment, baseline transaminases, 3 times upper limit of normal, ULN, concomitant use of potent CYP1A2 inhibitors, e.g. fluvoxamine, ciprofloxacin, relative, caution, moderate hepatic impairment, severe renal impairment, elderly, 75 years, bipolar disorder, may trigger mania. Precautions before taking agomelatine: A. Liver function. Baseline liver function tests, LFTs, are mandatory. Repeat at 3, 6, 12, and 24 weeks after initiation, then periodically. B. Psychiatric cautions. Monitor for suicidal ideation, especially in young adults, 25 years. Use cautiously in patients with bipolar disorder or mania history. C. Alcohol use. Avoid alcohol due to increased risk of hepatotoxicity. D. Drug interactions. Inform prescriber about all medications, especially antidepressants, antipsychotics, or C1A2 inhibitors. E. Other conditions. Use cautiously in elderly patients, pharmacokinetic variability, patients with obesity or diabetes, liver stress. 9. How to use. Route: oral, by mouth. Timing: once daily at bedtime, with or without food. May be taken with or without meals. Administration tips: swallow the tablet whole with water. Maintain regular sleep schedule for best effect. Continue therapy even if symptoms improve early, usually 2 to 4 weeks for full effect. Number 10. Dosing information: condition, dose, initial dose 25 milligrams once daily at bedtime. If no improvement, after 2 weeks, increase to 50 milligrams once daily at bedtime. Maximum dose 50 milligrams per day. Duration of therapy, minimum 6 months after remission to prevent relapse. Liver monitoring, LFTs at baseline 3, 6, 12, 24 weeks, and as clinically indicated. If transaminases exceed 3 times ULN, discontinue immediately. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. A. Missed dose. Take the missed dose as soon as possible unless it's almost time for the next dose. Do not double the next dose. B. Overdose. Symptoms: somnolence, agitation, confusion, malaise, abdominal pain, anxiety. Management: no specific antidote. Supportive care: monitor vital signs, LFTs, and symptoms. Activated charcoal may be considered if recent ingestion. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking Agomelatine and contact a doctor immediately if you experience jaundice, dark urine, pale stools, or severe fatigue, signs of liver injury. LFTs rise 3 times ULN. You develop manic or hypomanic symptoms. Avoid taking with alcohol, fluvoxamine, ciprofloxacin, strong CYP1A2 inhibitors, other hepatotoxic drugs. 13. Side effects, frequency, adverse effects, very common 10%. Headache, fatigue, dizziness, somnolence, nausea. Common 1 to 10%, anxiety, insomnia, constipation, diarrhea, abdominal pain, back pain. Uncommon 1%, elevated liver enzymes and LT, nightmares, weight gain, migraine. Rare hepatitis, mania, hypomania, hallucinations, suicidal ideation. Very rare, severe liver failure, angioedema, allergic skin reactions. Note, unlike SSRIs, Agomelatine causes minimal sexual dysfunction and withdrawal symptoms. Number 14, vital information, monitoring and patient education. Monitor liver function tests, baseline and periodic. Avoid alcohol, smoking, induces CYP1A2, grapefruit juice, CYP inhibition. Educate patient, take at bedtime, do not stop abruptly. Report symptoms of liver injury. Expect mood improvement within 2 to 4 weeks. Driving, caution due to possible dizziness or drowsiness. Number 15, drug interactions. Drug class, effect, mechanism: fluvoxamine, ciprofloxacin, potent CYP1A2 inhibitors, agomelatine levels, hepatotoxicity, contraindicated. Smoking, tobacco, induces CYP1A2, agomelatine effect. Alcohol, risk of liver damage. Rifampicin, omeprazole, induced metabolism, reduced efficacy. Other antidepressants. Additive CNS or hepatic effects. Benzodiazepines, sedatives. Increased sedation, use caution. Summary chart, aspect, details, generic name, Agomelatine, brand names, Valdoxan, Thimenax, class, melatonin receptor agonist, 5-HT2C antagonist, form, tablet, Fs, MOA, MT1, MT2 agonist, resets circadian rhythm, 5-HT2C antagonist, dopamine and norepinephrine. Main use, major depressive disorder, dose, 25 to 50 milligrams at bedtime. Common SEs: headache, nausea, fatigue. Serious SEs: hepatotoxicity. Contraindications: liver disease, CYP1A2 inhibitors. Monitor LFTs regularly. Key advantage. Thank you. Have a nice day.